Hi, Lily. As you know, tonight we have a meeting of the FSSCA group. That's our Fraternal Secret Society of Clandestine Audiophiliacs. It's just another fancy name for a bunch of geeks getting together to listen to some tunes. And what I've done here is I've actually set up the room to listen to some good tunes, and part of it is also in remembrance of one of our fallen brothers, Gordo. And it will be a little bit solemn tonight, but we will also have a lot of fun in memory of his name. So I've just put the finishing touch on the system here in my living room, and now it's time to do a sound check. So I've got the video monitor, and we've got my old DJ rig, which I don't DJ anymore, but I do. Actually, I got sucked into doing weddings and stuff like that, but not as much as I used to. So let's put on a little video that I snipped together, because this is one of those songs that just didn't have a good music video for it. So I made one, and let's do a sound check on my system here, which is based on a Pioneer SX950 monster receiver with a Nakamichi tape deck, an EQ just to be able to EQ the room, because this isn't an ideal room. And then we've got a Thorns turntable, CD player, my quad system from back in LAR days, Germany days, and we've got a couple of Mirage Canadian beautiful sounding acoustic suspension speakers with some of my favorites, which are the DCM time windows on the outside edge, which we'll be listening to, and quad 12L2 speakers. And of course, the last finishing touch was the adding the monitor to the system. So here we've got my DJ setup, which is something I use for home recording and stuff. But let's put a little fun tune on for people to enjoy. Here we go. Unfortunately, the sound on the phone will probably not be as good as in the room here, but you get the idea. And yes, you are enjoying it. Coming to the door. There's all vintage gear. Most of it's over 30 years old. Some of it's all 50 years old. there you have it. Sound check complete. Everything's working fine. Sound quality is great, although you probably can't hear it on the phone. And we're ready for tonight. So thanks for watching.